This is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators. Don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe. We're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the to the moon? Look up.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto every day, every night? We usually come to live, 8 o'clock Eastern Time, 8 o'clock a.m., 8 o'clock p.m. We're 40 minutes early this evening. We did not come with a morning video, so you hit the like and subscribe, all bell notification. So when we do go live, you get this stuff instantly. You're watching a live video, and right now we are live. We have Shadow Lord in the house. What's up, my brother? And we have Sean right now in the super chat. If you hit the bell, all notification up there, you won't be just watching an older video. You'll be watching live and can talk with us. Steven in the house. And finally, 1.32. We've had a successful day. 4 subscribers in the house. I hope you're new to the channel, and I hope that this stuff helps you. Coming through with some of the best crypto technical analysis, as you know, every day. We got some news for you. Terra falls back down to earth. Luna sinks 38%. Imagine, I already knew this was coming. I'm sitting here like this, right, getting ready for my move, and all these people are making articles like they're going to tell you what the next move is. Don't need to read that, but it's down, and I think it's great. Europe and world news, though, while we hit the like and subscribe, this is something to talk about. Abra announces, and I'm sure Altcoin Daily will go over this tonight, and it'll be old news. This is now breaking news, so Wall Street Pete got him beat. Abra announces plans for a U.S. bank to support digital assets. This is today's news, obviously September 13th. This is really big news. The trading platform for cryptocurrencies, Abra said it was in the process of launching a U.S.-based bank that would allow customers to escrow digital assets in an announcement Monday. Abra said the bank, called Abra Bank, would be regulated to operate in the United States and would allow customers to use digital assets in a manner similar to current money in traditional banks. In the comment section, let me know what you think about this. I think this is humongous news. A lot of people were scared for regulated crypto. I think this is one of the biggest steps towards that. And as the company also planned to create Abra International, a company focused on digital assets based outside of the United States. Whoa. It's getting a little crazy out here. We have some big news, as they said. Come down, check it out a little more in detail if this helps. And obviously they announced the two companies should make their debut in 2022, 2023 respectively. Abra announced that both institutions would work with officials to ensure compliance and regulation and laws, and would offer entrances and exits and transaction services for cryptocurrencies. This is big news, and I'm pretty sure the big guys are going to be covering this breaking news, but Wall Street Pete has it to you probably before anybody. So this is breaking news. I really couldn't wait to share this with you. Regulation is coming. Banks are coming. We're really making this happen. And another big news that people forget about, obviously 3 days ago, but it doesn't matter. It's coming. The hard fork, Vassal hard fork for the update of Cardano, and I think this is going to get us around the 70-cent mark. I believe it said 75. You have to go back to the Cardano channel or just go back to my charts. We'll check it out. But this is pretty exciting, and we do believe that something's going to happen here. And I'm waiting for the day of. According to Cardano, the Vassal hard fork will go live on September 22nd of 2022. So we have a lot of stuff going on. In exactly 10 days from now, it'll be hard official in the Ethereum already merged transition. Cardano will then be taking the steps for this. Sonny in the house, what's up? Luke Skywalker, he makes another one. And guess what? Congratulations, the second significant upgrade to Cardano. It has been one complete year since the Alonzo hard fork, and I'm not surprised if Charles Hoskinson has his own video today based off this information. Congratulations, 1 year with Cardano having the Alfonso. I'll tell you, I come up with some funny stuff sometimes. And speaking of this video, please understand what's about to happen here. This was a video 4 days ago. A lot of you missed this. If you pay attention, definitely mention 80 viewers. We had a good 80 viewers, but it was, how long ago? 4 days ago, I told you Wall Street Pete's selling at 5,700. This would be the head of the Head and Shoulders pattern of Terra Luna Classic. And a lot of you thought I was joking around when this was happening. And if you want to pay attention, the rest is history. So if anybody ever tells you that it's not the D word as you think, and it's not the C word as you think, and it's not the A word as you think. So it's dollar cost averaging into this market and dollar cost averaging out. If you don't find that method to be helpful, you're screwed. So this is what's happening. We'll find a mimic, and we'll be testing back as we did on the head. We'll get this inverted. It's something how it works. It's called patterns. It's called technical analysis. So then we went on, and I told you I'm buying Ethereum, and I'm buying this price. And of course, as we know, Ethereum went all the way to 1,800. And in this video 4 days ago, it was very profitable. If you were in this trade with me, congratulations. I'm very proud of all of you. We are on fire. We're one of the greatest crypto channels, possibly the best. Nobody does it the way I do it. I feel like Bob Ross, pretty little pictures here, pretty little birds here. It's out of control. But if you go to Google, 2 days and 9 hours and 34 minutes, and obviously that has changed. This was 4 hours ago, so we're now 2 days and 5 hours until the Ethereum merge. Everyone's excited. Here's the proof of work, and here's the hash rate. What's pretty cool, you really can't see it, but if you go on Instagram itself, follow us at wallst.pete. You'll check us out. Very exciting, very emotional moment for me on Sunday. Never forget the building I worked at. This is the NYMEX place where I used to work, the New York Mercantile Exchange, where I'm from. So don't be shy. Hit the like and subscribe and say hi. I'm Wall Street Pete, Sicto and Crypto. Thanks again, Chad says, for the best TA. Absolutely. It's hard not to toot your own horn when you're that good. Stop it. Now the comment section is going to make me blush. You guys are turning me red and shiznick. Stop it. But yes, it is pretty amazing. And I want to talk about the Bitcoin price. What's happening now is a lot of people may have already know the jig is up. The jig's up. Guys, let's be real. When Bitcoin is hitting this top, the whales are selling the Bitcoin and buying Terra Luna, this mother of theirs. If they're not doing it, then what is this? 4-hourly chart, Terra Luna. Indicators are at its lowest point in time. It's the greatest time to buy. If I go to Bitcoin, right now it's the worst time to buy. We need to sell indicators on the 4-hourly for Bitcoin. What are they doing? Well, the whales are actually friggin' flipping their asset into hard asset, big money Bitcoin, and flipping it to the sheet coin so they can get their monies to the maximum gains. And if you want to jump on this wagon, you can. It's not financial advice. Just a gentleman twice as nice, likes to wear the visor, and let's go! They won on Sunday, they proved me wrong! And we had a copyright on the NFL. I went EA Sports. It's in the game. And I sounded exactly like the guy, and I did the background instrumental NFL, and they gave me a copyright like he was, I swear. I kid you not, that's what happened. So I'm pretty confident because you can't get in trouble for instrumentals. I did the instrumental and the EA Sports guy so well, they gave me a copyright in the video, and I'm pissed about it. And it sucks because there's nothing I can do about it. So if you don't believe what I'm saying, I'll show you. It's pretty effed up. I don't know why they did this to me, but I need to go further into it. 9/11, it was yesterday's video, and here we are, we're back. And yesterday's video right here, 9/11, was a 37-minute video. We did NFL picks. We did really, really good. The NFL picks were actually outstanding. 49ers hurt us, but it got a copyright for that. I don't know what the hell happened there. So Bitcoin currently right now, humongous falling wedge. So RSI 4-hourly BTC is in bull zone control. Let's get cozy up there. It could happen, but this is what we're really looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Looking for something like this, and this is kind of where we're going to humongous cup and handle. So if you want to see something like that, 38,000 would probably be 38.8, 38.6 is probably my top on Bitcoin. But as you can see right now, and this is what you need to watch on a falling wedge, TA isn't there for fun. We're hitting exactly on the falling wedge on the tip right here. So you can sit here and get excited all you want and think this price is going to stay, but I'm telling you it's going to fall. So I'm not going to argue with you. If you think it's going to continue to go up, that's excellent. But I don't think that may happen. The only way this is going to happen is if this becomes a triangle pattern. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about a pattern just like this. And it's, I don't know if you can see it. It's in here already. Hold on. Let me get rid of some of this stuff. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. I like to go bigger than that. But right now, I want you to see this. There's a triangle pattern right here. You see that? What I need to happen is us to somehow find out we're going to trade in here. If we could do this, then what's going to happen next is going to be a really nice pull to the upside and finish. That's a little bit of some manipulation, but that's also a little bit of something where we're going with the head and shoulders inverted. So I don't know, maybe now you see it. It's pretty exciting, right? Pay attention to that. This is Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. Inverted head and shoulders pattern, and this is what I'm talking about. I'll show you right now. Maybe you'll get it. Maybe you'll see what I'm talking about. And you want it's deja vu all over again with the Luna pattern. People are leaving. It's a shame you're leaving, Stephen. What's going to happen is something crazy like that. And that's what I'm talking about. So inverted head and shoulders, as you can see, the prices over here. We're not there yet. Would it be nice to see this? Yes, it would be nice to see this sideways and then pull to the up here. Float support right above here. What would have to happen is probably flip where we're at right now, 22,700. So 22,700 right now is a very, very important level. That's a very, very important level. I'm going to tell you right now why. 22,700, can we get there? Get to the big number. As some people may have been following me for years, we do orange for resistance. And as you can see, we're flipping that support back in the meat of August. So look back in August. Look for us to come back into September and October. We're going to be fighting this level, 24,000. And then obviously once we break through the 24.5 price, and I don't know why I have 25.5, it's really 24.5. Once we break the 24.5 up here, which is greater resistance, you can have a million levels up here if you choose to, but it's important to know what they're for. So right here, another one, as I would say, and I'm going to make this mini, that's another one where you're going to have to finish a daily candle above. So pay attention to that. I'll switch my tune on BTC if we can get above August highs. Yes, I understand, but right there is 24.6, 24.5. If you can see here, back all the way when we last fell, right? We had to peak up one last time at 24.3, it looks like, June 13th, and that became a massive fall that we've been coming back off of. And there's a bear flag. If you look at the bear flags coming through, so you have to really pay short and close attention to the bear flags coming down. Then all of a sudden, right, left shoulder comes in. Here comes the head, and then, as I said, if you watched me, I was the guy screaming and yelling like an idiot, right, on Instagram, TikTok, everywhere. 18.9 is falling. It's going to hold. Don't worry, it's going to hold, and we were right once again. So it's nothing new to this channel, so you've been following me since. What else is new? Bitcoin needs to break this 21.5. We didn't go far back enough, but if you go far back enough, I'm telling you, here it is. This falling wedge to 19K support is textbook, and a lot of us told people this was a week ago that 18.7 exactly. I put 19 as a quick number down. 18.7 was the exact number, and somehow we hit it. We're getting really precise here, so enjoy the TA, enjoy what's happening. I'm going to do Ethereum, and then it's time to go. We're going to make it as quick as possible. Ethereum price, I don't have anything set up for Ethereum, but I showed you this was happening. I said that there'll be a right shoulder. Well, the right shoulder is now coming. Now, unfortunately, we're getting ahead. And what's happening? Well, I think we're going to get this head. We'll see what happens. We have two options. We're going to get this loop here, this J-like substance on this retracement that is now happening from here. And if you want to stay late at the end, we're going to do Terra Luna one more time, Terra Classic. I want to do a breakdown on how much we fell. It's at 38%. I want to see where we came down, Fibonacci level, see where I think if we bottom down, because I think 2,700 I'm buying back. So as people are leaving, please hit the like and subscribe. I think we're going to come back through, test the support 1712 as we're doing now. Lowest, worst case scenario was the 1669, but I do believe if we can hang tough, we're not doing a head and shoulders pattern to the downside, we'll be okay. So we have to hold the 1669 as a daily candle, as a lot of things here. So what do we got? We have a daily candle. Let's pay attention and look at that. We have to hold the 1669. It's really, really important. This is a daily now. We're flipping. It's so important. Look at that 1712. It's so sexy. You know what? When people ask, I don't not mind. It seems like you're new to the channel. Sonny M, I don't remember. I think I remember a Sonny, but yes, we can. Breaking this down, I was just trying to show you where we need to hold. That's very important. Getting back to Terra Luna now. Let's see if this works. I don't know if it's going to work. But we're really low, and right now I sold at the top, and I love it. I'm getting in. I'm dollar cost averaging in. 2,700, I do believe, is going to be the number I want to get into right here. So we're still going to fall. People are getting really undoubted, have really doubt into this asset. This is Luna Classic, and then we'll do Shiba Inu if you'd like. Why not? Just make sure you hit that like button, damn it. What I think is going to happen, and I hope this doesn't screw me. We'll see what happens here. Ooh, I'm getting it off. I'm excited right now. I hope you are. So Wall Street Pete breaks this down. He does a thing called the Fibonacci sequence, and gives me to the limit of where I can go until it's over, Red Rover. Let Petey get over. And here comes the TA, and it's, oh, well. Oh, no. I got to go back and get my drawings back because I lost them. Right here, right there. If you pay attention after the mention here, I'm buying at this price. I'm going all in, and I said it to everyone. So you want to screenshot that. You want to pay attention to that. We cannot fall below the 7.86, even half here. There's a chance we'll come through there, but I don't see anything else, anything worse. There's no way in hell it can go any lower than the exact price there. Otherwise, this thing is going back to zero like the other one. So what's up, Snoochie Boots in the house? So just pay attention to all that. I have to go back, though, to get my TA back. I don't want to lose that. There it is. I'm very proud of that. What I want to do is get rid of this because this is old. But finally, head and shoulders exactly as I did now. Maybe you could see it. I told everybody when we were trading right here, when we were trading here, I told everyone this was the left shoulder creator. We're going to come down and come through. And then I said buy here. You could watch the video. I said buy at this 3,400. We bought at the 3,400, sold at the 57. Went a little higher. I got scared. Maybe I made a mistake. It went to 5,900. I sold at 57. I'm okay with this, obviously. And then Wall Street Pete's real sicto crypto chart broke down the right way. So I love the bots. Let them stay in, do what they got to do. Algos, love fibs. Yes, the fib is the best thing in the world. Almost just choked. I got the link you sent us, that $25 registration deal still going? Yes. Right now, crypto. You want to check it out, you can go into one of my old videos here and go down. There was a thing here I did, crypto.com. If you're new and you want to trade and you're just starting to think about it, go to crypto.com and I have a $25. You'll get free $25 at crypto.com. So that would be awesome. I'm trying to find the thing for it. If I don't find it, you can go all the way down into here. You can find it yourself, but I'm not trying to sound like a dick like that. I really want to get it for you. It's free, $25. I suggest you do it. Definitely. Thank you, Snoochie Booch, for doing that. How funny is this? This is what happens when you buy the dip, by the way. This is the kind of things you do when you buy the dip, I guess, because I don't do this, but... That's dancing. I don't know what the hell's going on. Oh, man. But anyways, getting back right now, total crypto market cap, 1.07. So thanks, Luke. How are you doing, man? That's awesome. I love it when people get together. But you get $25 for free if you use my code. And what's happening right now is, like I said, I think Ethereum can flip the market cap of Bitcoin. It's very possible, so we'll see what happens there. It's very exciting. This is the best crypto channel here. We talked the real steel here. YBNB is going to be a 4-digit asset. It's trading $300 right now, so by 2024, this thing will be probably $615, then fighting its way all the way to $1,000. So not a financial advice, but I'm telling you right now, something's happening. What's happening? Well, XRP is getting a nice move, up 8%. In the last 7 days. So something to pay attention to. I did hear there was some news going on with the XRP, a little excitement. Solana as well. I did hear Solana, and now obviously Solana is making a nice move, up 16.5%. So big moves going on right now. Seems like the altcoin season's heating up, and that was part of the topic. So my name is Wall Street Pete, Sicto and Crypto. Going to do Shiba Inu, and then we're going to have to go. I have not done any on Shiba. I did dollar cost average in recently on a fall. I know it's closer to the top here. And what I'm looking for right now with Shiba Inu is I'm looking to find a way. There seems to be some little cup and handles coming, and maybe there'll be another one right here. We keep testing the 1340. Not a big fan of it, but you can blame or you could thank whoever it was. I think it was Sonny M. XRP Army, where you all at? XRP could move. We got years. We got the. Listen, we got to get the hash rate right. Change up here. 2024, when we get the hash rate cut, we'll see what happens. But Shiba Inu, thanks Sonny M, 1340. That's a problem right now on the daily chart. Every time we hit the daily here on this, it is a big problem. It's a pain in the ass. And that's something that I just had. I didn't really have technical analysis, but I'm looking at this Fibonacci sequence that I just showed you on another thing. And I was telling you right here in circle, right, I had it circled. Expect possibly to come all the way down if possible to here. But let's see where we are. We're in the golden pocket. So this is pretty healthy right now. Building support right above the golden pocket, 50%. Level from this fall, it's pretty strong. We could get a bounce to the upside since we've been moving here. Double bottom here forming, just like Cardano's doing. Something a little similar, so we could get a move all the way up to about right about the 1600 level, 1572 to be exact. So please be careful. The 1570 will come and bite you once it comes, and then possibly we'll draw a cup and handle from here. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a second when I get rid of all this garbage. Maybe we'll do some indicators. Let me see if I get an exponential moving average here to show. Whoo! Ha! And this is one of the indicators I love so much. We love those golden pockets, absolutely. But do you know what I love more? I effing love my Bollinger Bands when they do this. Red right here, Bollinger Band coming in. And you'll see, I want to get rid of everything right here. Oh my gosh, this is driving me insane right now. Bollinger Band looking insane right now. They're getting super tight. It would be a red line right here to the top, but you can see that little square line coming here. Let me see what I can do here. Make it 2. That line there is coming in. What happens when my Bollinger Bands come in like this? There is a humongous break to the up or downside. There's a big breakout coming. So I may have to change the name to this title here, but it is the truth. All coins are starting to move. And the more and more I look at this is insane. This is definitely having a massive move come. If you're excited, obviously the top of this price is going to be here to the 1687 as I had in the beginning of this thing here. Close to the 1700, but right about there, 1683 was beautiful. Right about there, 1680, so pay attention to that. There could be a big cup and handle coming in on here, and then come down to the handle of 1570. Then we'll be talking about a different Fibonacci sequence level. Perhaps we're coming down to the 50%. It touched almost the 61.8% here. So what I'm thinking is that's the next move. So if we get this, let's let it happen. Let's let it pan out first. So remove the indicator. We're definitely getting a double bottom here. Same thing as a double top. It would be bearish. This is a bullish formation. So thank you so much, Sonny, for getting us involved. I usually give you 3 levels. And you know what? You just got 3 levels. So pay attention to any one of these. You could dollar cost average out. It's totally up to you. Obviously, trading right now, 1287. You're not going to want to take a 1340 profit. Most likely you're looking for 1570. That would be the more ideal. And then finally, but not last, this is a top out here. I don't really count that as a third one. I'll give you the third one because these are usually where I go on levels. I think we could get massive resistance here, so please be careful. 1474. So as I retrace my price a little bit, this would be the big number I would pay attention to. This would be the number I would dollar cost out heavy. Not financial advice. It's a gentleman twice as nice. So gentlemen used to work on the New York Mercantile Exchange, this place I miss so much. Here's the badge. Every day we used to come in. Please be careful. The comment section has a lot of scammers. I made some moderators. They got rid of all of the scammers. I didn't want them to do that, but they're gone, so you don't have to worry about them no more. There's a couple left. Leave them alone. But we're doing great on this channel without bots and all the publicity that we don't need. So Wall Street, Pete, Sicto, and crypto. I put my money where my mouth is. When I talk about buying a trade, when I talk about selling a trade, I mean it. I would not be talking about it or putting my heart and soul or even thought into it if I wasn't involved. So, disclosure, be careful. I've seen people lose their shirts, especially on leverage. You might not know what leverage trading is, derivatives, but you can get your ass kicked. You can get your ass handed to you. I've done it before. I've actually fractured my ankle back in May and had a great long position. I was making so much money and totally got wiped out, liquidated because I fell asleep because I literally had to pass out because I was in so much pain and it hurt. And it was on KuCoin, and it's a good leverage trading asset if you want to check it out. KuCoin's pretty cool, but I don't really love KuCoin too much, so I stopped trading on it. I do use BitForex. It's one of the best leverage tradings I do like. So if you're interested in that sort of thing, please do that. Please do not click on any links in the comment section. These people are brutal. They're trying to get your phone information, your key codes, and all that. If you do hit a link on someone, you probably got hacked. You better go get a new cell phone. It's probably worth $1,000 unless you only got $400 in crypto. But in reality, they will steal your crypto. They will ask you stupid questions. They will copy me and try to be like me. Don't let them do that. So everyone take care. Loving and peace in and peace out. Till the next video, hit that like and subscribe because we're going on a ride, going to the moon. And damn, I hope we're going soon. Take care, everyone. Be safe.